What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. And I just got this box and I'm super excited to tell you about it because I truly believe that whatever is in this box will help us a lot with our PDR repairs. And to show you what's in this box, let's open it up first and then I will show and explain how best to use it on this hood right here. So this thing right here, it's called the Glexo Magic. Now what does it do? Well, it has a few different purposes. Remember before when you were trying to do soft pushes on a dent like this one here, but the dent is under a brace. So what you have to do is you need to use a Tessa tape or something other to put around your tool to stick it inside. Now this creates, it works good, but it has a couple of downsides. One of the downsides is the Tessa tape, when you wrap it around, let me get the tool. So you want to put this under a brace, but you want softer pushes, like an R4 cherry cap would be great, but it doesn't fit, right? So Tessa tape it around, but that makes the tool really fat. Plus I always am having problem with the Tessa tape because I wrap it around and I just want to wrap the tip, but of course Tessa tape is big, you have to wrap around more and you always get some extra Tessa tape left here that is in the way, and when you start pushing also it quickly goes off, at least for me. So this Glexo Magic will first help you with this, because what this is a polymer curable one component composition for the protective coating of the working parts of the PDR tool. That is how they word it. What it is, it's a special polymer, I guess, that you put on the tip of the tool, and you just use this UV light to make it hard. Now this is gonna stay on the tool, it's not gonna be as fat, and wherever you apply it, that's where it's gonna hold. The second use of Glexo Magic, for example here on this blending hammer, you can put it on to have that soft layer that is not, if you don't want metal on metal strikes for certain types of metals of a car, you can put that on, again UV light it, and you have the protective layer. Now this knocker that I have from Edgy Tools, this one they also offer plastic caps for it, so here it's not gonna help me, but you do have some tips of blending for blending hammers, or some blending hammers that are not interchangeable tips. That is where this is gonna be very useful. The third usage I found is Sometimes when you are pushing and you are sticking your tool into the tiny holes under the hood to get access to a dent, well, before you maybe destroyed that dent a little bit or chip the paint off because you were sticking your tool in it, now you can put this Glexo Magic around it, around the hole, to protect the hole before you put your tool inside. These are the 3 uses I found out so far, and if I will find any other uses of this tool, I will for sure let you know. Now let's see how this Glexo Magic performs in action. So, I think for the first time I did put it a little too much here on the side of the tool and not as much on the edge of the tool I want to. But let's check it out. It is giving me those soft pushes I need. To take it off, you just use a knife, cut it off. Really nice. And for those of you wondering, yes, I did fix that dent and it came out good. I hope you like this tool as much as I did. I know I'm sure excited to be adding this to my arsenal of tools. Now, please do make sure you click the like button and the subscribe button. It does help the YouTube algorithm. And I will see you on the next one.